In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a pie in trading 212. A pie in trading 212 is simply a customized portfolio where each stock or ETF becomes a slice, and every slice has a percentage that tells the app how to split your money. Think of it like this. If you set Apple to 40%, Tesla to 30%, and Google to 30%, any money you put in will be divided according to those percentages. It's a clean, visual way to stay consistent with your investing plan. Start by opening the app and heading to the Home tab. Look for the three-dot menu next to your watch list. Tap that, and you'll see an option to open the Pies section. From there, select Create Pie. You can also find the same option through the Autoinvest prompt if it appears on your screen. Both routes lead you to the same setup. Next, add the stocks or ETFs you want. Use the search bar to find the companies or funds you're interested in and select them to include them as slices. Trading 212 offers a wide range of global stocks and ETFs, so take a moment to pick the ones that match your goals and risk tolerance. Now, set your percentages. You'll see sliders for each slice. Adjust them until the total hits exactly 100%. This is important because the app will only proceed once your allocations add up correctly. For example, if you invest $100, $40 would go to Apple, $30 to Tesla, and $30 to Google, based on the percentages you set. This same logic scales whether you invest a little or a lot. Choose how you want to invest. If you go with Autoinvest, which is often the easiest for beginners, set your deposit amount and pick a frequency like weekly or monthly. The app will then invest automatically according to your allocations, helping you stay disciplined without constant micromanagement. If you prefer more control, choose manual and add money whenever you want, placing funds into the pie on your own schedule. Give your pie a name and, if you like, choose an icon. This part is optional, but it's helpful for organizing multiple pies or quickly spotting your strategy at a glance. Before you wrap up, review everything: your selected investments, their percentages, and your investing type. When it all looks right, tap Create Pie. Finally, fund it by depositing money. Once funded, your pie is live and ready to follow the plan you set. That's all there is to it. Simple, structured, and a great way to keep your portfolio aligned with your goals.